Adrian here at the Beyond Rubik Cube exhibit. This is the robot that can solve a Rubik's Cube, and this cube I'm going to use to let the robot solve it. Hopefully, he will. So, here we go.
How many seconds does it say? Or minutes?
20 moves and depends.
Well, but I can see it's just taking pictures, and now it's going to solve it. Hopefully, and now it's just showing off. See? Now, he might be going to solve it. And see, it's been timed. As you can see, it's been timed. Total moves, 20. Moves remaining, 12. Now, look at the action of this robot. You can see it's told it's off the cube that I inserted in. Now.
How long does it take to be uploaded to YouTube?
That on a computer is really quick, but on a phone takes time.
Y'all ready for this?
And there you have it, folks. A solved cube by a robot. Thank you for watching.